Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Financial Report for Odoo Community Edition in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This is a powerful module that brings essential accounting insights to the community version of Odoo. It enables users to generate key financial statements like profit and loss report, balance sheet, and cash flow statement directly within Odoo. With intuitive filtering, real-time data accuracy, and export option in PDF and Excel, this tool helps businesses make informed financial decisions without needing to upgrade to the Enterprise Edition. So first of all, we will go into the invoicing module. Here, under reporting, we will find a menu for financial reports. Under that, we will find journal ledger, partner ledger, analytic account report, trial balance, partner aging, profit and loss, and balance sheet. So first of all, we will go to the general ledger. Here you can see the general ledger. You can just click on that and see the entries under that. Here you can see the bank suspense account entries under that. And you can see the other entries also in here. You can fold it and you can unfold it according to your needs. Here you will find the filter button. Here you need to add the details you want for your report. So first of all, you can add the date from and date to in here. So I have selected 1 month date range. Under that, in target moves, I have selected all posted entries. You can select all entries also. You can select the partner in here. You can select the account in here. And you can select the journal in here also. Under that, you can select the analytic accounts in there. And you can select the display accounts. Here I have selected with movements in here. Now as I'm going to click on apply, you can see the data will be filtered accordingly. Now if I unfold the bank one, you can see the 2 entries which I have filtered right now. And under that, if I open the bank suspension account, here also you can see the entries which are filtered. Now here, if I go and remove all the filters I have applied and click on apply, and again if I check the bank one, you can see all the entries will appear again under bank. Now in here you will find a print button. So click on that to download the PDF report of this journal ledger. Here open that, and here you can see the information of the journal ledger. Here you can see the bank, and under that you can see the bank suspension account. Here you can see all the data in here. Here also you can see in the PDF report, I will show you the data. You can see the bank suspension account. Now here I have unfolded the bank suspension account, and I'm going to again print my PDF report. Now if I open this, you can see the data for bank suspension account has also come unfolded in the PDF form also. If you will fold it again, here you can see in the previous report it is folded in here. So whatever you do in your data, it will show into the PDF. If you fold the bank and bank suspension, it will be folded. If you unfold it, it will come into unfolded version. Here you can just click on XLS, and here you can see a XLS report is also generated for you. You can just open it, and here you can see all the entries of the journal ledger in the XLS form in here. Now after this, you have seen the journal ledger. Again under reporting, you can see a menu partner ledger. Open that, and here you can see the partner ledger information. Here you can see 2 different partner, Azure and Deco Edit. Here you can just go and check the entries under that. You can click on this entry button, and you can see the R bill in here. You can see all, you can go and check all the entries by clicking on entry button. Here now I'm going into my filter button, click on the filter, and in here I'm going to select date from and date to, and in target moves I have selected all posted entry. You can select the journal in here. I have selected bank, and I'm going to just click on apply. So apparently there is no data for the partner ledger in General Bank. So I'm just going to remove that and I'm just going to click on apply. So here you can see the entries between the dates we added into our filter. So here you can see the entries in here. Now I am going to apply this. I'm going to unfold these two in here, and now I'm going to click on print button. Here you can see I have printed the partner ledger PDF report, and here you can see all the data which we have seen in our Odoo interface, which is printed into the PDF form in here. So after the PDF form, I will be downloading the XLS file for this. So here I have selected the XLS button, and you can see XLS file is downloaded for partner ledger in here. You can see all the data for your partner ledger information in the XLS form. After this, again, we will go into the reporting and we are going to open analytic account report in here. You can see there are two different analytic report in here, and we are going to unfold them. And after this, we are going to apply a filter in here. So first of all, we are going to add date from and date to, and under that you can add the account if you want to add the account. So I will be selecting bank. Under that, I'm going to click on apply. So in Analytic Report, there are no accounts, so I'm going to just remove it, and I'm going to add the analytic account. So if I select the Deco Edit and click on apply, you can see the data for Deco Edit is appeared in here. You can see all the entries of the Deco Edit under that. Now I'm going to just print this information in the PDF form by clicking on print button, and here you can see a PDF is generated for your analytic report. Here you can see date from and date to. Under that you can see all the information for your analytic report. After this, I'm going to click on XLS button to download the XLS file. So here you can see the XLS file, and here you can see the data of your analytic in here. You can see the total amount also. Now after this, again we will go into the reporting and we are going to open the trial balance. Open the trial balance, and here you can see all the trial balance entry in here. If you click on general items, you can see the general items of your trial balance bank in here. So here you can see all the accounts and you can see their trial balance. So I'm going to just filter out here. You can select the date from, date to, you can select the compare date range. I'm going to select this month, and in general I'm going to select bank, and I'm going to just click on apply. So here you can see the data has been filtered accordingly in here. So now I'm just going to print this into the PDF button, PDF form. So I'm going to just click on PDF button, and here you can see the PDF report is generated for the trial balance. Here you can see every information regarding your trial balance in here. Now after the PDF, I'm going to download the XLS form. So I'm just going to click on XLS, and here you can see a XLS report is downloaded for your trial balance. Here you can see the date from to date to, you can see the account and debit credit for your balance. Now after the trial balance, under reporting, we will find a menu for partner aging. So open that, and here you can see the partner aging. Here you can see the Azure Interior and Deco Edit. Unfold them to see the entries below them. You can just open any entry by clicking on entry button, and you can see the information of that entry. So we are just going to unfold the Azure Interior, and we are just going to filter out some information in here. So you can select the on date. So I will be selecting the present date. Under that you can see the based on, and under that you can select the partner if you want, and you can see I am selecting my partner as Azure Interior, and I am just going to click on apply. So here you can see the data is filtered accordingly, and you can see the partner aging of the Azure interior in here. Now I'm going to print this into my PDF form. So I'm just going to click on PDF button, and here you can see a PDF report is generated for the partner aging. So here you can see all the information of your partner aging in the PDF form. Now after the PDF form, I'm going to download the XLS form. So just click on XLS button to download the XLS report. Here you can see I have downloaded the partner aging XLS report, and here you can see all the data of Azure interior in the XLS form. Now after the partner aging, again under reporting, I'm going to open the profit and loss option, and here you can see all the profit and loss in here. Here you can see, if you click on the journal ledger, you can see the journal ledger, and under that you can see all the journal items in here. So we are just again going into the journal ledger in the profit and loss, and we are going to filter some information out. So here you can see you can add the journal in here, and you can just apply the filter. Now after this, again as I said, I am going to print the PDF form for this also. So click on print button to download the PDF, and here you can see the PDF file for profit and loss of your account. Here you can see every little detail into the PDF form with the date from to date to. Now I am going to download the XLS file. So just click on XLS, and here you can see the XLS file is downloaded for the profit and loss. Here you can see all the information, and you can see the from and to date in here. Now again under reporting only, we are going into the balance sheet. Here you can see the balance sheet of your account. You can just unfold them and see the data under that. Here you can see the current assets, bank and cash accounts. We are going to filter out some information in here. You can just add the journal, and you just click on apply, and the data will be filtered accordingly in here. After this, we are going to print the PDF form for the balance sheet. Here I have clicked on PDF. Here you can see the PDF for the balance sheet. In here you can see the date from to date to, and everything related to the balance sheet in here. Now after the PDF, of course, we will download the XLS file. So we are just going to click on XLS, and here you can see XLS file is downloaded for the balance sheet. Here you can see the time, asset, liabilities, equity, and everything regarding the balance sheet in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box, and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.